Hello there and welcome to the Law of Attraction World channel. So today I received 2 copies of our book, Law of Attraction from Beginner to Expert. As you can see, our logo on our website. I kinda like the material. It's really nice and smooth. First page is for the copyright and disclaimer and everything, followed by the table of contents, then an introduction, and then the book starts from page 7. It starts with the basic stuff, basic explanations, what is the law of attraction, what is it good for, and then it goes gradually, little by little, explaining all the law of attraction concepts and tools that you can use, like attracts like, ask, believe, receive. And then it goes all the way, subconscious mind, to the advanced stuff. That's why it's called From Beginner to Expert. Anyway, and then there's like a bonus of some articles about manifestations and how to manifest. But then at the very end, that's where the good things are. The bonus. 21 days gratitude, affirmations, and meditation journal. It's all blank and empty. So, this is day 1. You can write the date here. And then you can state whatever you are grateful for that day. I am now happy and grateful for. And then you can write whatever you're grateful for. You can use this as a gratitude journal, but you can also use it as an affirmation journal. Or if you want to use every day a different affirmation, you can write it first thing in the morning here, so that it will be stuck in your mind all day long. And there's a small section here for meditation if you want to also start doing meditation. You can use it for one thing, gratitude, affirmations, or meditation, or you can use it for all of them all together. It says meditation started at, and then you mention the time when you started to do the meditation and how much time you meditated for, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever. And you self-evaluate yourself on 10, your focus. Were you focused at all? Were you focused halfway or all the way? And then there's some space here to take notes if you want to. There's also space here to take notes. And then you go. Day 2, day 3. By the way, you don't have to use this exact expression. Use any other expression you want. And maybe if you use a different language, you can write in your own language. You don't have to use this exact expression. Day 4, day 5, all the way to day 21. This is the last day. After the last day, you have a page to share your final thoughts about this experience. And then self-evaluation page. You can write if you noticed any progress, if there are any changes. And you can mention if you want to start new challenges or even new goals. And last thing, a letter to someone. It's free. You pick to whom you want to send the letter to. Maybe your future self or your past self, your child self, maybe to God or to the universe or to anybody. Date, subject, and the letter here. And your signature, of course. That was it. That was my review of our book, Law of Attraction. Feel free to check it out. I'm gonna leave you a link below if you want to get it from Amazon. It's really nice design. Yeah, so that's it. I encourage you to check it out and to start your meditation journal right away. Everything starts with meditation. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.